Hello and welcome to another update video about ECOMI OMI. I've been asked to do this for a few times now from a loyal viewer, and yeah, after a while just had to give in, shied away from it a little bit, but took a quick look at the chart and actually sees something which looks quite good in my view, So we're going to take a look at that, and so let's start. So overall here we can see that we formed a low here that was back in end of June. I mean, that was not even that was $0.001. Yeah, so quite a bit of a strong price increase since then. And however, what you can see here is that since then we've really moved up nicely. And just want to, first of all, before we look at the indicators, really take a look at the Elliott wave count, in my view, that is at play here. So from down there, we start with wave 1, come down here in a wave 2, go up there in a wave 3. I think this could have been the wave 4 probably. Make sure we don't come into the wave 1 price range, and then topping here at a wave 5. Pretty much textbook like ABC correction here as well. So after a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move, in this case to the upside, you have an ABC following A, B, and a C. Yes, surely we could drop a little bit more in that wave C, but overall, it's looking pretty good. Overall as well, that C could, as I said, could come down more, but it indicates that this wave C correction is already at play. So we are already here in that C wave. Yeah, that is my current view, from which then we should continue to build a new impulsive move to the upside. So we're pretty much here also at a tipping point. Yes, there is more scope in my view here to the upside, and that could come down quite a bit more, to be honest. Nevertheless, I think we are already on our way here in the correction, and after this we should see to continue our way up. And the reason I say that is not only that you have this ABC, so within the wave A, and I go to the 4-hour chart to show you that, it is pretty much textbook like. So within a wave A, you have also a 5-wave structure. Okay, so what you probably have here is something like a wave 1, 2, 3, somewhere here, maybe the 4 here. Just make sure again that we don't come into the price range of wave 1, and then that wave 5 in some way, something like that. Yeah. So I think here in the wave 4 we came actually up a little bit too high, so just need to make sure, oh, it could have been that here. Yeah, so wave 3 down here, wave 4 here, and then the wave 5 down there. And then so this is the wave A. Yeah, and then in a wave B to the upside you have a 3-wave structure. So again, within that wave B you have an ABC, A, B, C, textbook. And now in the larger wave C, you again have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure. So this is what it should be. 1, 2. Now this can't be the wave 3 and 4, because we would come into the price range of wave 1, but possibly now we are doing the wave 3. Should really come up to the maximum of 0.0062 cents in a wave 4, and then can come down lower in a wave 5, and possibly somewhere here in that range around 0.004 cents. So yeah, I think we come down once more. At least that's what I can see just from the Elliott wave count here, and we come down once more if we lose here the 200-day moving average. But you can see already that we've came here to the 200-day moving average. Is it the 200-day? Let me check. No, it's the 111-day moving average. 111-day moving average found support here, coming up here in a wave 4 currently. Need to make sure that we don't come above 6.2 cents. Otherwise, no, it's not 6.2, it's 0.62 cents. No, I don't know, $0.0062. Otherwise, that wave count needs to be redone, but that's what I currently see. As you know, this is part, or as far as I can see this would be part of a wave. If that is a wave 1, a larger wave 1 here to the upside, you're kind of coming down in a larger wave 2. From a, you know, depending on from where you go, from here, we go all the way to the upside. You know, you have certainly more scope to come down. You know, you could come down possibly here to the 0.618 Fib level. Yeah, that's certainly a possibility here at $0.004. That's certainly a possibility, and I would say that is probably where you will land, somewhere there. Also, you had a high here, which acts as, you know, support as well. And after that, you're going to come up again, in my view. So yeah, there is a potential for further drops. You know, if we lose that 111-day moving average, I think we come up a little bit more now, but we should then see that reversal to the further to the downside further. If we retrace, however, more or higher than the 0.0062 level, this wave count needs to be done, and it's more bullish then, because then we're retracing in that wave 4 here too much, and then we need to look at it again. But overall, yeah, as I said, a little bit more drops expected before we then recover. Overall, generally quite a good chart, because it indicates we're already in the correction. Potential to buy the dip. Overall, in my view, a bullish chart, because after this we get the impulsive wave to the upside again. And this is generally what I like to do when I look at a new cryptocurrency that I haven't bought yet, but that I find quite interesting. What I try to do, I don't want to buy when we're already like 20, 30%, 40%, that we've made 20, 30, 40% in a short period of time. No, I actually want to buy just when I see this shifting, or actually when we've already dropped quite a lot, and I believe it is a bullish chart, it's a bullish structure, and that I expect a turnaround quite soon. So this is not quite there yet. I think there could be a little bit further drops before we then come up, but overall the chart is looking really interesting. And then yeah, you can expect much higher prices, and it indicates that we still have a wave. If this is a larger wave 1 here, possibly, you know, could also be, and I have only done that quickly to be honest, could also be that this in some way here is the wave 1, yeah, and well, it was the wave 1, I told you that. 1, 2, yeah, okay. So yeah, probably should really see much higher prices than going forward, and I think that all-time high should be achieved in this alt season, certainly. That's what I think. And yeah, overall interesting chart. And looking at the indicators here, you can see that on the daily there is a lot of scope to the upside, especially after the most recent correction. You know, we had to correct here as well, had a double top up there as well, purely because, you know, we were also massively overbought, had a bearish divergence there as well. You know, that is just what happens then after a while. You made quite a lot of profit here, then you're retracing, and then you go up again. That's just typically what happens. And also here, however, the MACD on the daily just confirms what I said, basically, that I expect further price drops. The MACD has not turned around in any way yet, deep in the red, and I would expect further continuation until we reach a little bit lower prices before we then turn around, as I said. And here on the weekly, we are also not overbought, so the weekly gives us a lot of scope. On the weekly, in the bullish range, yeah, indicating also the longer term trend that, yeah, we are, you know, in an uptrend, and we are bullish. Currently coming down. Possibly we're going to find here support at the 50 line on the weekly RSI, and this is also bullish. You know, the MACD here on the weekly is losing a bit of buying pressure, so just need to make sure that we are turning around here at some point. Otherwise we will get a bearish cross here, but again, here we wouldn't fall too far. I think we're not that high, not that overextended, which is quite positive as well. I think overall the chart does not look bad, to be honest. So yeah, I would expect further prices going forward after another short-term drop. So hopefully you liked the update video about OMI. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.